welcome to Arts Quarter TV. We are going to introduce you to Jane Leakey, who is known as Nature Arts on our website. She has a variety of different pieces of work. She's also got some stunning wildlife photography. I've got an owl, fox and a puffin. She also does this amazing stuff down here. So we've got some beautiful handmade wooden nativity scene for £50. For £21 she has these hanging stained glass that you can look stunning in the light. Some little tea light candle holders. She also has a variety of small pieces of jewellery. And these come with a little leather chain. Another piece of wood hanging there. And at the bottom here, she has these very, very intricate little pieces, some of ladybirds, dragonflies, bumblebee, and we also have some more dragonflies over here. She also has a variety of Christmas decorations, all available online for click and collect. Please go and have a look. All available on our website at www.theartsquarter.com.